Calçada de João. So we're gonna walk straight down this little alley to João. Calçada de João. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Calçada de João. João. Calçada de João. So, okay. Beautiful green door right there with beautiful green windows that probably once opened up quite frequently to look out into the streets and are kind of permanently shut for the time being. Kind of a short street, but we'll walk it anyways. I'll show you some of the alleys around here as well. Calçada de João. So there's some little alleys there. And then that's the street that we're just on. So that just goes up to State Cathedral. There's little courtyards here. Patio das Flores. Courtyard of the flowers. Quite pretty. Pension house right there. Then it kind of ends at the corner there. Okay, so we're gonna head on out. Let's see. Okay, so that was the street that we're just on, and I think we're just gonna walk across here a little bit if we can, to see if we can get across. Now we're kind of at this street right here. So now you have, I think this will probably be the end of our street right here. And then we'll just kind of fade down like that and go up that way. So that's Calçada de João. Okay, let's go on down. I don't know if we're still on Calçada de João, but we'll label it accordingly anyways. Oh, we are. It's actually still it's right here, so Calçada de João. So we're still on the same street. And we'll just kind of come down here and we'll end it in this area somewhere. Kind of give you the context of everything. So now you can kind of see all this kind of cool stuff. We're in Lisboa Casino, Bank of China. This kind of main road here. This one, that's Calçada de João. Okay, hope you like that one too.